Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a carousel slider in Flutter using the pageview widget is a straightforward process. The pageview widget allows you to swipe between different pages, which is perfect for making a carousel. Below, I'll provide a step-by-step tutorial along with a code example. Step 1. Set up your Flutter environment. Make sure you have Flutter installed on your machine. You can follow the official Flutter installation guide, https://flutter.dev/docs/get-started/install, if you haven't set it up yet. Step 2. Create a new Flutter project. Open your terminal or command prompt and create a new Flutter project by running bash flutter create carousel_slider_example. Navigate into your project directory. Bash cd carousel_slider_example. Step 3. Update pubspec.yaml. Ensure that your pubspec.yaml file is updated with the necessary dependencies. For this example, we will not need any external packages, but you may want to add one for additional features in the future. Step 4. Create the carousel slider. Open the lib/main.dart file and replace its content with the following code. Dart. Import package flutter/material.dart. Void main. Run app, myapp. Class myapp extends stateless widget. At override. Widget build context. Return material app. Title, carousel slider example. Theme data, primary swatch, colors.blue. Home, carousel slider. Class carousel slider extends stateful widget. At override. _carousel slider state create a state, equals _carousel slider state. Class _carousel slider state extends state carousel slider. Final page controller _page controller equals page controller. Int _current page equals 0. Final list string _images equals. https://via placeholder.com/600x400, text equals image plus 1. https://via placeholder.com/600x400, text equals image plus 2. https://via placeholder.com/600x400, text equals image plus 3. At override. Widget build context. Return scaffold. Appbar. Title, text, carousel slider. Body, column. Children. Expanded. Child, pageview.builder. Controller, _page controller. Item count, _images.length. On page changed, index. Set state. _current page equals index. Item builder, context, index. Return container. Decoration, box decoration. Image, decoration image. Image, network image, _images index. Fit, box fit.cover. Row. Main axis alignment, main axis alignment.center. Children, list.generate. _images.length. Index, equals build.index, index. Sized box, height, 20. Widget build.int index. Return container. Margin, edge insets.symmetric, horizontal, 5. Width, _current page equals index. 12, 8. Height, _current page equals index. 12, 8. Decoration, box decoration. color, underscore current page equals index, colors.blue, colors.gray, border radius dot circular, 10. Explanation of the code. 1. Main function. The main function initializes the app and sets the home widget to carousel slider. 2. Carousel slider widget. This stateful widget maintains the state of the current page. 3. Page controller. The underscore page controller is used to control the page view and allow programmatic navigation. 4. Image list. Underscore images holds the URLs of the images that will be displayed in the carousel. 5. Pageview.builder. This is the main widget that allows swiping between images. It uses the item builder to build each page dynamically. 6. Indicator dots. The row of dots at the bottom indicates the current page. The build dot function creates a dot for each image. 7. Styling. The images are styled to cover the full container and the dots change size and color based on the currently displayed page. Step 5. Run the app. To run your application, execute the following command in your terminal. Bash. Flutter run. Conclusion. You have successfully created a simple carousel slider using the pageview widget in Flutter. You can expand this example with additional features such as auto-scrolling, swipe gestures, or animations based on your needs. Feel free to modify the image URLs or styles to fit your application's design. Happy coding! Creating a carousel slider using the pageview widget in Flutter is a great way to display a series of images or content in a swipeable format. Below is a step-by-step guide on how to implement a simple carousel slider using pageview. Step 1. Set up your Flutter environment. Make sure you have Flutter installed on your machine. You can create a new Flutter project by running bash flutter create carousel underscore slider underscore example cd carousel underscore slider underscore example. Step 2. Update pubspec.yaml. You may want to use a package like cached underscore network underscore image for loading images from the internet, but for this example, we will use local assets. Open pubspec.yaml and add your asset images. YAML. Flutter. Assets. Assets/image1.jpg. Assets/image2.jpg. Assets/image3.jpg. Make sure to have the images placed in the Assets folder. Step 3. Create the carousel slider. Now, let's modify the main Dart file, lib/main.dart, to create a simple carousel slider using the pageview widget. Dart. Import package flutter/material.dart. Void main. Run app, my app. Class my app extends stateless widget. At override. Widget build context. Return material app. Title, carousel slider example. Theme data, primary swatch, colors.blue. Home, carousel slider. Class carousel slider extends stateful widget. At override. Underscore carousel slider state create a state, equals underscore carousel slider state. Class underscore carousel slider state extends state carousel slider. Final page controller underscore page controller equals page controller. Int underscore current page equals 0. Final list string underscore images equals assets/image1.jpg. Assets/image2.jpg. Assets/image3.jpg. At override. Widget build context. Return scaffold. Appbar, title, text, carousel slider. Body, column. Children. Expanded. Child, pageview.builder. controller, underscore page controller. Item count, underscore images dot length. On page changed, index. Set state. Underscore current page equals index. Item builder, context, index. Return image dot asset. Underscore images index. Fit, box fit dot cover. Sized box, height, 10. Underscore build indicator. Widget underscore build indicator. Return row. Main axis alignment dot center. Children, list dot generate. Underscore images dot length. Index, equals container. Margin, edge insets dot symmetric, horizontal, 4.0. Width, underscore current page equals index. 12.0, 8.0. Height, underscore current page equals index. 12.0, 8.0. Decoration, box decoration. Shape, box shape dot circle. Color, underscore current page equals index. Colors dot blue. Colors dot gray. Explanation of the code. One page controller, we create a page controller to control the page view. This allows us to manage the page index and listen for page changes. 2 pageview.builder, we use pageview.builder for better performance, especially when dealing with a large number of items. It builds pages on demand. 3 on page changed, this callback is triggered when the user swipes to a different page. We update underscore current page to reflect the current page index. 4 image.asset, we display images from the assets folder. You can replace image.asset with image.network if you want to load images from the internet. 5 indicator, we create a simple indicator below the carousel to show the current page. It consists of circular containers that change size and color based on the current page. Step 4, run your app. Now you can run your app using Bash. Flutter run. You should see a simple carousel slider displaying your images, with indicators showing the current page. Conclusion. This example demonstrates how to create a basic carousel slider using the pageview widget in Flutter. You can customize the appearance, add animations, and fetch images from various sources to make it more dynamic. Happy coding!